Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am great.
And where do you live?
I live in India. And where do you
India.
live?
I live in England.
Okay, great.
I'm English. Whereabouts in India do you live?
I live in northern part of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, great. And is the weather nice there?
Yes, everything is fine, and we are living in a cool atmosphere right now.
Pardon?
I mean that we have cool environment here, neither too hot and neither too cold. So that's why
Oh,
it's fine for
brilliant.
now. Yes.
It's a good temperature.
Yes, basically, what I am trying to do here is like I am practicing my listening skill. So I read your profile, and there I found that you are a singer and actor. So what I am thinking is that you should sing an English song, and I will try to understand that English song, and in that way I would able to practice my English better, because I have one of the most important thing to learn, and that is understanding the song which are in English. If you
And
don't mind.
you want me to sing?
Yes.
I wouldn't know what to sing.
Yes, you have in your profile, that means you are a professional singer.
I do have that in my profile, but I don't know what to sing. Do you know any English songs or did you want something random?
No, I don't know. I was only the fan of Michael Jackson song. Just beat it.
um, I can't think of any songs now. That's
Please, please, that is my kind request, because I am interested to listen that song, any of the song which you are interested in, because in that way I could get the idea that how you are pronouncing the words and all.
um, let me think of a song. I can't think of any songs now. I go. I'm looking for music.
Yes, okay, no problem. Take your time.
um, I could.
Because you are my teacher, and I will be learning this specific skill, that if someone will be asking me for any type of thing to do immediately, then I will be doing the same thing.
Okay. I've got up some songs. How about that one? It's I could. I'm so nervous now. That's Somebody said you got a new friend, but does she love you better than I can? There's a big black sky right over my town. I know where you're at. I bet she's been around. And yeah, I know stupid, but I've got to see it for myself. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Whoa, I'm giving it my all. I'm not the guy I'm taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. I just wanna dance all of the night. I'm all messed up and so out of line. Stilettos on broken bottles. I'm spinning around in circles. And I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Whoa, I'm giving it my all. I'm not the guy I'm taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. That's my song. It's an instrumental now.
Wow, that was a great song, and I was very much keen to listen every single word which you sang. So that was really nice. So great.
Thank you.
Yes, you are welcome. So yes, the actually you just sang a song, and in that way I got the confidence that if sometime I am writing something in my profile and someone is just telling me that you have this one and you should perform this at that time. So being a teacher, you are a teacher. So I got the confidence that you performed the same thing. And if someone will be asking me about the thing which I think that is difficult, but I will be trying to perform at that moment. So really appreciating, yes. So yes, what I want is that you should ask me rapid fire questions, and I will be giving you quick answers. So in that way, I could better speak.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you tell me 3 things about yourself? Rapid fire.
Yes, I am single. I love to work for myself, and I want to live alone.
Why do you want to live alone?
Yes, because I wanted to become a genius.
You want to become a genius. Okay.
Yes.
Who do you live with now then?
I'm living alone.
Oh, you are living alone. I thought you wanted to live
No,
alone.
no.
Ah. So what do you think would make you a genius?
I think that if I am introspecting myself on daily basis and observing my shortcomings and strengths, so that will help me to become genius.
And do you have a plan to help you adapt?
Yes, I am trying to manage myself, trying to work on my subconscious mind, and also searching for some mentors who can help me to achieve that.
Brilliant. And why do you want to learn English?
How? Sorry?
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because there are a lot of people who are outside the India and they have the only language which I can understand, and that is English. So because of this global language, I have to learn, and because I am interested to connect with the other people who are around the world.
Wonderful. So do you want to travel some more?
Yes, I am. I'm interested to travel in different countries. So I have the target to travel in almost all the countries.
Wonderful. So where do you want to go? Where's your favorite? Where would you most like to go in the world?
The first one is USA, and then after I will be moving ahead in other countries.
Where do you want to go in America?
America, that is, I think Silicon Valley is in America, right?
USA is America.
Yes, yes.
United States of America.
Yes, yes, I am talking about that. Sorry, that is Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley.
Yes,
Oh, brilliant.
New York.
And have you been to America before?
No, no. Up till now, I never visited any country.
Oh, really? You've just stayed in India?
Yes, because I completed my graduation and now I freed from my education and started working on the things, and now I have the earning sources. So then I will be planning to move to the next other countries.
Oh, wonderful. What did you do at university? What
University.
subject? What subject have you studied?
I studied computer science engineering.
Oh, computer science. And
Yes.
is that what you do for your job?
Yes,
Or
yes. Currently, I am developing softwares.
amazing. Do you like that?
Yes, I like that.
Good. So, do you want to do that job but in a different country, or do you just want to visit other countries?
Just wanted to visit and become a public speaker, just like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates.
Oh, wow. So you want to be the top
Yes,
guy.
yes, yes. I have to achieve
And
that.
what would your speeches be about? What would you cover in your speeches?
I mean, I am working on my projects, and what I am interested in, like I will have the software products of my own, and I will be promoting those into other countries. So definitely the people will be providing me some sponsorships and all. So in that way, I will be visiting in other countries.
Wonderful. So you'll go see everywhere in the world and do
Yes,
your speeches
yes,
and be a millionaire.
yes, you are right.
Is money very important to you?
Yes, money is important because money gives me the power to visualize all those things which I can achieve.
Good answer. And what do you spend your money on normally?
Yes, yes, I'm currently spending on my own self, trying to invest on gaining new skills, supporting my family members, supporting my siblings who are interested to grow in their life. So this is the way.
Amazing. How many siblings do you have?
I have three.
3.
Yeah.
Are they older or younger?
Two are younger. Yes, all are younger.
And are they brothers or sisters?
Yes, one brother and two sisters.
And do you like them? Are you good friends?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Good, good.
So
And do they live? Sorry, go on.
yes. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm an actor who lives in England. I'm 26. I have one older brother and a boyfriend called Stuart.
What? Sorry, last sentence.
A boyfriend called Stuart.
Okay, so you have one boyfriend as well.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, great. So that is important. Huh? All right.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so will you get married soon with him, or you have planned for later?
Later, not now.
Yes, yes. About after reaching 30, right?
Yeah, sure. Around then. We'll deal with it then. Too young. I'm too young.
Yes, yes. You are too young. Actually, you are older than me about 2 years.
Oh, really?
Really?
Amazing.